Let's now install the libraries we will need. Press Settings. Go to your project. Project Interpreter. Wait until it loads and then press the plus button. We will first install matplotlib. Write the name in the search box. Check the library and then press Install Package. Wait until it says installed. Do the same with numpy library. We will now download the Basemap wheel. You can just type download Basemap wheel. You get in Python extension packages for Windows and then search for Basemap. The link will be down below as always. Download the correct version for your Python. I'll continue the video after download. For Basemap to work, geos and pyproj are needed. We will proceed first with the installation of those two libraries. In PyCharm, press terminal in the down left corner. And then type pip install geos. Do the same with pyproj. We will now proceed with the installation of Basemap. We will install it through the wheel we downloaded previously. In PyCharm's terminal, type pip install the file's path / the name of Basemap wheel. Now let's start typing some code. First, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Next, import numpy as np. And for our last library type, from mpl_toolkits.basemap, import basemap. We need the second one with capital B. As for the code type, m equals basemap. m.draw coastlines. And finally plt.show. Be sure that you haven't forgotten your parentheses in your code. Right-click on Scratch, then press Run Scratch. Here is your first simplest map. Well done and thank you for watching the video.